Hi my friends, this is Ian at Buildabizonline, and I want you to watch this video all the way through, and then I will show you another little video, and that is going to show you how to get some free advertising where you can advertise to all our Buildabizonline members. So please watch the video all the way through to get that. Okay, now then, let's get on with this video. One or two people have said, Ian, please, can you send me my password again? I promise I will write it down this time. Well, I want to show you a little tool that I use, and it's called RoboForm. Now, I know a lot of people use Google, but this can be taken anywhere on all of your devices. So let me just share it with you. If you click on here, there's a special offer on just for you. Special referral offer, and that is get 6 months free for just $23.88 per year. So it's a great saving. So that's all you need, and I'll show you how it works right now. If I want to get into my Buildabizonline account, I simply click on the little logo, the RoboForm, and you can see all of the different things that I log into, all my traffic exchanges and various other things. But there's my recent ones. If I want to get into my Buildabizonline, I'd simply click, and that's how fast it is. So there you go. So as promised, now please watch the next video, and it will show you how to get that free advertising just for watching this video all the way through. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.